Welcome to Intro to Reading and Study Skills. This semester, you are going to be using an inclusive access code for your textbook and for your digital resources associated with the textbook. In the past, you might have been used to purchasing a physical copy of a textbook in the bookstore, but this semester, we are going digital with everything. So this video is going to show you the process in order to have everything set up correctly. The first thing you're going to do is log into your reading class. When you log into your reading class, it may look different than mine because you are on the student side and I am on the instructor side. But what you are going to see here is a link to the eCampus textbook materials and a link to my reading lab. My reading lab, if you click on this link, you're going to see this first icon, and this is going to be where you're going to access your digital textbook and your digital homework assignments in my reading lab. That's just the name of the program. Pearson is the publisher. My reading lab is the program. Now, there's a process that you need to take in order to set up your account. In the past, you would have purchased a textbook from the bookstore, and the textbook would have come with a scratch-off access code. Now we don't have that. So to set up your My Reading Lab account, you're going to click on the eCampus textbook and materials link. And when you get in there, you might see multiple classes, but for this particular class, this is where you're going to see your My Reading Lab Pearson information, inclusive access, and you're going to click Reveal Access Code. This access code is going to be unique to you, and it's going to be what you use to set up your Pearson account. So we're focusing only on this area. When you click on your Reveal Access Code, you can copy and paste that access code, and you can go back over to Blackboard, click on My Reading Lab in Blackboard, click on this link to set up your account. There are also several videos that walk you through how to use My Reading Lab. And all of these videos still apply. They are all still relevant and current. The only difference is your access code comes from this link and you have a digital textbook instead of a paper copy textbook. So use your videos, use your resources, use this link, go through the process and set up your account this way. After trying all these things, if you have any issues, you can email your instructor and your instructor can answer any of your questions.